Klaviyo for WordPress. How to make the integration. Good day, folks, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your WordPress site and integrate it with Klaviyo and make a superpower. So why would you want to do this? Of course, you can have efficient email marketing. You can have user segmentation for personalization. You can also have data-driven insights and analytics. You can also have awesome automations for time saving, and you can enhance your customer experience through cohesive journeys. So let us get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to show you how to do is jump into Klaviyo, and I'm going to show you how to install the integration. So if you haven't got an account, you can sign up for a free 60-day trial, and all you need is an email address. Now on the bottom left hand side, you can see that there is your account name, and you're going to just go ahead and tap on integrations. Now once you are in integrations, you can see over here that that is the only integration that I have. You can now go into the top right hand side, you can tap add integration, and you're going to look for WooCommerce. So this WooCommerce is the plugin. If you have a look on your WordPress site, WooCommerce is actually the plugin that you can use to manage your store over here. So as you can see, it says set up a new store in minutes. Your WordPress is basically just your back-end management system. So we're going to go into Klaviyo and we're going to tap on this WooCommerce icon over here. Alright, so once you've done that, it says install and activate Klaviyo plugin. So now you can just tap on connect to WooCommerce, and then once you're done with that, we're going to jump into WordPress and we're going to install the plugin there. So over here it says that it is a free download. On the right hand side you can see it says free download. You can just tap on that, and once you get into the checkout page, on this page over here, you will enter all your billing information, such as your first name, second name, and your location. So over here, the confirmation of your order and all the details, as you can see over here, is all set out for you. And you can go back now to your WordPress site, and we're going to go down to the left hand side, and it says plugins. Now once you tap on plugins, you will get to this page over here. You will have to upgrade to a business plan, which will have a cost involved, but the next step that you will take now is going into the search bar, and you will type in Klaviyo. Now once you've typed in Klaviyo, you will see that right over here the Klaviyo plugin has now popped up. You can now select it, and then on the right hand side you can tap on upgrade and activate. So on this page you can see that there is a checkout. It is $40, and if you go down here you will just have to enter your billing information. You can then tap on continue to payment and confirm your payment, and then your WordPress and Klaviyo account will be integrated. And there we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave us a like. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and we'll see you in another awesome video. Cheers for now.